Good morning, children. Let us start the new topic, coordinate geometry. So, in coordinate geometry we will call as analytical geometry or Cartesian geometry. So, in coordinate geometry, we define the coordinate of a point in a plane with reference to two mutual perpendicular lines in the same plane. It also includes plotting of points in the plane, which is used to draw the graph of linear equation in Cartesian plane. Its applications. It is used in physics and engineering and also in aviation, space science and space flight. It is the foundation of most modern fields of geometry. The famous French mathematician René Descartes is known as the father of coordinate geometry. Cartesian system. So, the horizontal line and vertical line. The horizontal line we called as the x-axis and the vertical line we called as the y-axis. Both will intersect at a point. That point is called the origin. Okay. So, the x-axis and y-axis after intersection, it divide the coordinate plane or xy plane into four quadrants. The first quadrant x value and y value both positive. Second quadrant x value negative, y value positive. Third quadrant x value and y value both negative. And the fourth quadrant x value is positive and y value is negative. Cartesian system. You have studied number line in your previous years. On the number line, the distance from a fixed point are marked in equal unit positively in one direction and negatively in the other. The point from which the distance are marked is called the origin. So, see this graph sheet. We will have the horizontal line as x-axis, that is xo, x dash, and the vertical line yo, y dash. Okay, y-axis, yo, y dash is called the y-axis and xo, x dash is called the x-axis. Both the axes will intersect at a point. That point is called the origin. So, the coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. The x value is known as the abscissa and the y value is known as ordinate. For example, in ordered pair 2, 3, 2 is the abscissa and 3 is the ordinate. Abscissa means the first value of the ordered pair, that is the x value, and y value ordinate is the second value. Let us see exercise 3.2 children. See the first question. Write the answer of each of the following question. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? What is the horizontal line? Horizontal line we called as the x-axis. Horizontal line, that is the x-axis. And what is the vertical line? Vertical line is the y-axis. Okay, in introduction itself given to you. And what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? What we will call? We call that as quadrants. Okay, the perpendicular lines, both the lines will intersect at the origin. It divides into four quadrants. Then third question, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. The origin. What is the coordinate of the origin? 0, 0. Okay, ordered pair 0, 0. That is the origin. Then look at your textbook, children. Second question. Then look at the second question, children. The diagram already given in the textbook. They ask you to write only the coordinates of B. So, all of you observe your textbook, page number 61, the diagram. First question is the coordinate of B. So, I told you for writing the coordinates, first you must write the x value, then you must write the y value. So what is the x value here? Minus 5. So B is the point, minus 5. And what will be the y value? 2. Very good. So B is the point, minus 5, 2. Same manner, the coordinates of C. So look at the C, it lies on the fourth quadrant, they are given. So what will be the point? C is the point, x value 5, y value minus 5. So 5 minus 5. The third question is, the point identify the coordinate minus 3 minus 5. All of you look at the diagram. Where is minus 3 minus 5? What is the name of that point? Yes, minus 3 minus 5, that is the point E. E is the point minus 3 minus 5. What will be the fourth question? The point identified by the coordinate 2 minus 4. So 2 minus 4, which point it is identified? Very good. G is the point. G is the point 2 minus 4. So the balance coordinates, can you write, children? The abscissa means the x value and ordinate means y value. The fifth question they are asking the abscissa of the point D. What is the point D? See the diagram, 6, 2. Isn't it? Ordered pair 6, 2. So what is the abscissa of the point D? 6. Abscissa. That is 6. Okay. Next question. The ordinate of the point H. What is the point H given in the question? H is minus 5, minus 3. So what will be the ordinate, children? Very good. Ordinate is minus 3. So the balance 2 question you do as homework. Let us see exercise 3.3, children. So the first question is, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the following points lie? The first point is minus 2, 4. So we know that minus 2, 4 lies in the second quadrant. 3 minus 1. X value positive, y value negative. So it lies in the fourth quadrant. And the third one, minus 1, 0. It lies on the x axis. Then 1, 2. It lies on the first quadrant. And minus 3, minus 5. It lies on the third quadrant. Then they ask you to verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Let us see where these points, how we can plot the points in the graph sheet. Okay, for that, first you must draw the x-axis and y-axis. The vertical axis is the y-axis and the horizontal axis is the x-axis. So this you mark x, this is the point of intersection, that is the origin 0, 0, and this is x dash. Here this is y, this is y dash. First, before going to draw the graph, you must write the scale. So what is the scale here? In x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and in y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, this is the scale. After that, we must plot the, mark the points, positive side all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same manner the left side of x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, like that. Here the positive y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. Okay. The negative x-axis. See children, before going to draw the graph, first you must write the scale and draw the x-axis and the y-axis. The point of intersection is the origin, that is the coordinate 0, 0. Okay. Then you see the first point, minus 2, 4. So what you have to do means, you have to take your scale, keep your scale perpendicular to x-axis. Okay. So the point is minus 2x value. So you keep the scale perpendicular to x-axis, minus 2 you keep it. Then minus 2, 4. So 4 is this value. So this is the point minus 2, 4. So it lies in the second quadrant. This first quadrant is positive, positive. Second quadrant minus, plus. Third quadrant minus, minus. And the fourth quadrant plus, minus. So see that minus 2, 4 first itself I said it lies on the second quadrant, that is minus 2, 4. Then 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 in which quadrant it lies? It lies on the fourth quadrant, isn't it? So keep the scale perpendicular to this 3 and minus 1. So this is the point 3 minus 1. Next one, minus 1, 0. Minus 1, the left side of the x-axis, 0 is the y-axis value. So you must see that minus 1, 0 lies on the x-axis. This is the point minus 1, 0. So it lies on the x-axis. Next one, 1, 2. Keep the scale perpendicular to x-axis. This is 1, this is 2. So this is the point 1, 2. It lies on the first quadrant. And minus 3, minus 5. Both minus. So minus 3. Keep the scale perpendicular to x-axis. Minus 3. This is minus 5. So this is the point minus 3, minus 5. Okay. Understood clearly how to plot the points on the graph sheet? Same manner, the second question you have to do as a homework. Okay.